Hello guys and welcome back to the Patholab channel, and today we are here with another episode about stem cells. I am Dr. Lisara Ahmeti, a semester 4 student in Tehran University of Medical Sciences, and without further ado, let's get into the video. First, we have to speak about the definition of a stem cell. So stem cells are characterized by their ability to do self-renewal and also differentiate and generate different cell lineages. Now that we know the definition, there are also some specific properties to a stem cell. Stem cells have self-renewal capacity, and as we said, they can generate different cell lineages. Now this means they have something called asymmetric replication. Asymmetric replication means that one stem cell will turn into two cells like all the other cells. However, one of these cells is your daughter cell and the other one is going to be another stem cell, and this ability to self-regenerate itself, we call that self-renewal. Now let's talk about the different types of stem cells. The first one is embryonic stem cell. During development of umbilical and the blastocysts contain undifferentiated pluripotent stem cells, which are called as embryonic stem cells or ES cells. These cells can form cells of all three germ cell layers. The normal function of these is to give rise to all cells of the body. The second group is adult or somatic stem cells. Adult cells are less differentiated than the ES cells found in an adult, and they are found among differentiated cells within a tissue. They have more limited capacity to generate differentiated cells than ES cells, and they usually differentiate into particular tissues. Their normal function is tissue homeostasis. The third group is induced pluripotent stem cells or iPS cells. This is achieved by transferring the nucleus of adult cells to an incollated oocyte, and their use is for therapeutic cloning in the treatment of human diseases. Now let's talk about different sites of stem cells. The first site is the bone marrow. Now this one has two types of stem cell. The first one is called the hematopoietic stem cell. This stem cell can create all lineages of different blood cells, and also it is used for therapeutic reasons for hematological diseases. And we can actually contain and gain it from adult blood or umbilical cord or even peripheral blood. The second one is your marrow stem cells. Now these cells can produce chondrocytes and different kinds of lymphocytes which can migrate to different kinds of tissues. For example, the neuroglia in your neurological tissues. Now the second place is intestinal epithelium stem cells. Now these are either inside the small intestine themselves or at the base of the crypt in your colon. The third place is your liver. The liver contains these stem cells in something called the canals of Herring, and they can differentiate into different cells: bile duct cells, bile cells themselves, or hematopoietic cells, hepatocytes, the cells of the liver. The fourth place is the cornea, inside the limbus, between conjunctiva and cornea inside your eyes. And the last important place is your skin, located in your sebaceous glands. Within the lower areas of your epithelial cells, you also do have stem cells. Now that we spoke about the definition, characteristics, and sites of stem cells, and most importantly, their characteristic to do self-renewal. Now, if you have further questions, please ask in the comments, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe so we have more motivation to create these educational videos for you medical students.